These are the B-post quarter panel Wheelarch panels for the Austin Healey BN4 and BT7 models. Now the BN4 models, it simply applies to those later cars that had the chassis number of 68,960 onwards, I believe. Always worth checking, they weren't exactly the most consistent of factories, so this is certainly the more common of the two. The early styles were quite rare, but still around. So this is the later version, as I say. So these have been cut on our CNC machine. So the main panel here is hardboard, cut on our CNC machine. It has the associated bolt bracket holes there, pre-cut, ready to fix in the car. It then gets this plywood going on the leading edge there, which actually basically is the B-post strip down the leading edge, effectively. So this one here, if I turn this around, this is the right-hand quarter panel, so it sits in the car like so, that being the front of the car there. Then you also get this metal panel onto the top, and that's what adds the curvature, as you can see there, to the panel. So these are metal panels already fully trimmed on there. Then they get the carpet put on the top. Now carpets, obviously we'd want to match it to your main carpet colour and material. We can offer three main materials and a range of colours in those. So you've got nylon, then Karvel or wool. This happens to be the Deluxe woven wool to match the customer's carpet set, which we've made for him as well. So that gets glued onto the top. You see this semicircle cut out here? That is for there's a circular fixing for the hood frame to sit inside of that, and same again on the very front there. It's all related to the weather equipment. There's I think a rubber bit that goes around that kind of square corner at the front there. So that's all pre-done for you basically. So these have been trimmed in vinyl very neatly all the way around. We can offer in them leather as well. You get a pair of those per set, very nicely done. As you can see, always look out for the stamp.